Three, two, one.
Weasel. The stream here, and we can strike up a conversation, see what's up. Also, if you don't mind hitting that subscribe and going ahead and following my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. Playing a little Fallout today. Not Fallout.
The real mall. What's going on?
There it is.
It's good to see someone in chat. Sit back, relax, get you a cup of joe.
Cup of joe? This late?
Yeah. I mean, you never know. You don't know what time it is for these people.
You right, you right.
And enjoy the stream.
Oh yeah. So, you literally only gained a follower?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was my wife.
Bro, you're gonna have to redo that in that group chat.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to go?
I was like, okay. I was like, I get it, guys. I get it.
Bro.
I know why. I know why they're not following me. Because I mentioned my YouTube as well.
Could be. Not a dedicated
I didn't
streamer.
mention it, like I didn't put my link in, but I just said I am a streamer on Twitch and YouTube.
Yeah. Like I told you, man,
So.
I don't really care about no YouTube. I've really gotten into just Twitch and really enjoyed it, so.
Yeah, some people like other things, you know.
Yeah. Some people, I guess everybody's entitled to their own opinion, even if it's wrong.
Yeah, and some of us have taste.
Bad taste?
No, it's good taste.
Bro, there's people out there that eat snails.
Yeah, and there's also, you know, people out there that eat like horse meat and stuff too.
Yeah.
So.
Bad
But
taste.
then again, there's always like a steak in there somewhere.
A horse steak?
Or if you're like a vegetarian, you know, you get a good.
What do you think a
apple.
vegetarian like looks forward to eating? What do you think
What
like
do they
their
look forward to
favorite
eating?
meal is?
Steamed carrots. Steamed sweet
Bro,
carrots.
I was straight up thinking carrots.
Steamed, dude, sweet carrots are goated.
Bro, the wife says.
Like in hibachi.
I mean, yeah, I agree with that. The wife said vegetarian lasagna.
You're doing too much to a vegetable at that point.
You know, I'm a fan of good old meats.
What was that thing that they used to make? That broccoli pizza or something like that?
Yeah, vegetable pizza.
Yeah, right. I ain't never went to a pizza place and seen that on the menu.
I actually have, believe it or not.
Oh, really? Well, maybe it should be, though. For the vegetarians. You know, nothing wrong with vegetarians.
Well, it's not even the vegetarians. Like, you gotta think vegans can't, or is it vegans or kosher can't drink
I just
milk.
put them under vegetarians as well. I don't know, man.
You tell me you would
Dude,
eat?
just imagine. Imagine being the guy that first like drunk Cowboy. What was he doing?
Oh,
That
bro.
dude was weird.
He had some questionable thoughts. That's for sure. I got it marked for us.
I'm not even paying attention. Okay.
If anybody that is watching this cares to chime in on vegetarian versus vegan and which one they think is healthier, because I gotta say, man, vegetarian, it sounds healthier because you can still get protein.
But you can still get protein with vegans too.
What can they have that's protein though?
I
Natural,
don't know,
natural protein. That's the big thing.
Okay, I was fixing to say synthetic protein.
Yeah, see, no, that don't work.
I mean, you could probably have something. I'm sure they can have some sort of something, you know. Cause so, all right. So that being said, a person that can't have no kind of animal byproduct as a baby, are they letting their kids go without like breast milk? Cause you know humans are animals after all.
I imagine at that point that it's like it's not really an animal. It's me, so therefore it's okay.
Ah, see that sounds like it's putting.
Oh, there's definitely some loopholes
Yeah.
being used there. Are you just out there just destroying this house?
Yeah, I'm just. I don't feel like walking through the house to try to find stuff. So I'm just like busting walls down.
So you do, but you boo. I haven't emptied out the house though.
You just missed this, so. I done got 2 chests.
I got one.
Should have been knocking on walls, man.
That's fine. I got my second one right here.
Did you know what I hate on this game now, though?
What?
Which I guess is good they've added it. The whole sprinting mechanic.
Yeah.
But like how I run out of sprint. I can't remember how it was. Like back in the day. Was it just like a, you know what, I'm gonna use this actually. A constant sprint, or was it? Or was it just slow paced walking the entire time? Or a light jog?
I have no idea. Bro, you're just straight up gone. Like, you just leave me behind.
I hear gunshots, so I'm like, you know, I'm hearing gunshots. Oh, yo, I see him. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, okay, this is about to be retarded.
Hey, 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 you better, watch that profanity.
This is about to be,
Mentally, or...
mentally impaired. Not
so
so,
fucked up.
not so smart.
I'm about to see if this thing will work like I see on. It did.
I'm assuming you're the one up there shooting.
Yeah. One crawling there still, you wanna grab him?
Yeah, I got him.
Nope, getting shot at from the side.
Oh, no way. Yeah.
Coming behind you. Oh, right on me. On me. Coming back towards you.
Got him.
I'm getting shot at again. From behind me.
I don't know where they're at.
Yeah, I was getting shot at, but down here in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, you dick. Alright, killed him. I got one of them, one that's still down here, crawling around.
That's the wrong way.
Yo, bro. I'm out of ammo up here.
Got her. You good?
Yeah.
Come get this ammo.
Hold on a second, I got some.
Fine, I'll get this ammo. Still somebody down here?
Yeah, it was someone I knocked already. Oh, no. Yeah. Screw that sniping stuff, man. I am no bueno at sniping. Yeah, so I don't know how I did it, but I slid. Okay. That's
How?
cool. Click down on the, like, crouch button on the right analog stick.
Okay. Hey, where
Yeah,
at?
bro, we gotta get in the storm.
Yeah.
Thank God it's right here, because I was not paying attention to that at all.
Also got gunshots going off in the distance. I'm going ahead and just gonna keep pushing.
Yeah. I'm gonna kind of stay in the wood line, so. Dude, it's going down.
I just don't know which
Oh.
direction. Behind
Right
us.
here.
Oh,
Or,
oh.
What are you, oh?
I'm getting shot at. I need to change out to the shotgun. I had my sniper rifle. There's also another one, bro.
Oh, where? Oh, yep, I see him. Oh, I don't see him.
On the bridge.
I'm knocking that wall. There you go.
I'm pushing. I'm also getting shot at from behind, though. Oh, no, I'm not. Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
I got this one. You take care of the ones behind us. I'm down.
I don't even. Oh, yeah. Fuck me. We're gonna lose this round. Yep, because I'm fucking around and I ain't got no fucking ammo. God dang it.
One ship of vanity.
Oh, that's cool. Ah, bitch. Bro, I have no ammo. I'm getting third-partied over here. Fuck y'all.
I'm coming. I'm about to die, but I'm coming.
Bro, how do I get out of this now?
Go ahead. Leave me behind. It's cool. I get it.
Bro, I need a gun, I'm sorry. And all you got is sniper rifles.
No, I ain't. The BMR is not a sniper rifle.
Yeah, I'm getting caught up in the storm right now, too.
There you go, bro. Now you got one more. Run for it. Just run for it, bro. You're in storm now. That person.
Run! What are you doing? Yo, can I like, buy you back or anything, or are you just?
Nah, bro, I'm just done. I'm spectating now.
Oh.
Bro, I mean, it's right there behind you. What are you doing?
I can't, dude. What the fuck? I got stuck in a tree. Yo, I ain't going down without a fight.
You've almost made it safety, bro.
Yo, what the fuck?
There you go.
Oh my god.
Alright. Now you got people shooting at you.
Yeah, I got.
Building up a shield.
Get out of my lobby.
I'm not done with you yet, bro. These builders, man, when they start building, it's over.
Get out of my lobby.
This is my house.
Yeah, I don't know. Shit, I'm running towards a storm.
I'd use that first aid kit you got instead of those bandages. That's all the bandages can do is 75%.
Yep.
Oh, that didn't take long, did it? It's behind you, bro.
Yeah, we.
And that's right here.
Dude, I wish I knew where he was at.
Behind you, bro.
Fucking builder. Get out of my lobbies. What do I got to keep telling y'all that?
Bro, I mean, you almost gotta be at the end here.
I got one more. He's gonna be on top up there. I just know it. He's gonna be camping. This just takes so damn long.
Yeah, it does.
And I do shit like
I was
that.
saying there goes your health.
Yeah, where's this guy at?
There he is.
Oh, right there. Yo, get up. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, this ain't good. Ain't good at all.
Oh, that's great. You think I know my controls?
They move away from that. Yeah, that's
Bull!
Hey.
Yo, GG.
Good
GG
G.
guy.
I mean, yeah.